Hello and welcome. This is Mdasir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will see how to draw box in AutoCAD 3D in more detail. So let's get started. I will just go here to activate box command. I will just click here in this drop down arrow and I will just activate box command. Now you can see here in command line it is asking about box specify first corner point. So I will just give any of the point as this is the first point. Now I can just give second point, or I can just give length, breadth. Okay, so for example right now I need second point as this point. Now it is asking about height as well, so I will just pull my mouse upward or downward for height. Okay, so for example this is the height. Okay, I will just give this point as a height. So this is the box in AutoCAD 3D. Now let me just change the visual style. From here I will go here and I will just select 2D wireframe. Again I will activate box command and I will go here and I will give just any of the point here for first point, and I will right click here, and here you can see one of the option, that is cube. I will click here to activate this one. Now it is asking about specify length. Okay, so for example I need a length of 60. Okay, so I will give 60 and then I will press tab key for angle. So right now I need 90 degree of angle and I will hit enter. So this is the cube option. Now let's see one another method, that is center method. I will just activate this box command from here and I will right click here on screen and you can see one of the option, that is center. Okay, I will click here and I will just give any of the center point here. For example, the box will be drawn along this point. For example, this is the point as center point, and now you can see it is going to draw along this point. So for example I will just give second point as this point. Okay, and then it is asking about third point. So for third point, when I am just pulling my mouse upward or downward, you can see the length is increased on both sides. So I will just give this point as a third point. Okay, now you can see this is the center option. I will go here in realistic view and you can see this is a realistic view for center method. Okay, again there is one more option, that is 2 point. So if you want to draw a box of this height, you can just use that option, 2 point option. I will just activate this box. Okay, from here, and I will just give first point as this point and second point as this point. Okay, now if I want to just give a height as this height of this box, okay, I will just right click here and there is one option, that is 2 point. I will click here and then it is asking about, you can see here, box specify first point. So first point as this point and the second point as this point. Okay, so now this box height is equal to this box height. Okay, so these were three methods to draw a box in 3D. I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.